A little hard.
It's on the ground. I think you did all right. Have you ever landed on the Grand River in real life?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's neat.
It flows a lot more than you think it does.
Hey, what's up? So the other day, we had like negative 25-degree temperatures where I live, and it was really freaking cold. And my pipes burst in the barn where I've got everything set up for the flight simulator, and I was afraid that something was going to get ruined. But we got our friends from Encore Electric out. They came to help fix the pipes. Just a shout out to those guys. Guess what they took a liking to, though? They liked the flight simulator. So I put these guys up to the task to see if they could land. So check this out. Let's see what they got.
All right. Welcome back to another edition of Can You Land? What's your name anyway?
Seth?
Seth. All right. Seth is flying the RV-10 into Sparta Airport. Let's see if he can make a landing. You're going to come in hot, by the way. So this button right here will put in flaps. You might want to put in at least one notch of flaps to slow yourself down.
I'm going to land in somebody's backyard.
Hey, any landing you can walk away from, right?
I guess so.
That would be a stall warning. Put a little more power in. 64, that's about right where the stall is for the RV-10, so I think you got this. It's looking like overall a decent looking approach. Looking good.
Oh, there we go. A little hard.
It's on the ground. I think you did all right. And then you can use this for like a steering wheel because I don't have any rudder pedals down there. All right, not bad, not bad.
Sweet.
Good job. I'd fly with you anywhere.
Thank you. You would fly with you anywhere.
All right, in this edition of Can You Land, we're flying with Brad, and Brad is about to land on Cranberry Lake, you said?
Yeah.
All right. If anybody's wondering, he does have floats on this particular Cessna 172 aircraft. Brad is a rated seaplane pilot, so he should be able to manage this. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, yeah, plenty of space, maybe. Oh, beautiful. Ooh, yeah.
A little bumpy.
It does sound like a cat cry.
All right, so I feel like I have to come in and just say, Brad is a certified seaplane pilot, so he does have his rating. I kind of set him up for failure with this because I didn't have the actual rudders with the ability to engage. So apparently, I'm not a seaplane guy, so this was new to me. But there actually is a keybind so that you can go in and set up you can engage the rudders so that you can actually steer the aircraft in the water. So I did not have that available to him when he did this landing. We got that set up. Didn't get that on video, but it's still, it all worked out. That's what I'm trying to say here.
All right, going for take 2, landing on the Grand River. Have you ever landed on the Grand River in real life?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's neat.
It flows a lot more than you think it does.
I bet it does. All right, not bad. I'd hit the brakes for you. I don't think it would do any good. Looks kind of choppy.
Yeah, it's a little rough out here. Not even gonna put the water rudders down. You might need them though.
Looks like there's no directional control.
Yeah.
Sucks. You're gonna hit the house.
Going.
No.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Not this again. Yeah,
Well,
I couldn't make my turn on the river.
at least the landing went well.
Yeah.
Awesome job.
real quick, if you guys like what you're seeing with this flight simulator, this is a real simple, quick, easy build that you guys can do for what I would consider for a flight sim world. In the flight sim world, I would consider it fairly budget friendly. It's not an AATD or a BATD. You're not going to get any FAA flight hours with this, but if you want familiarization, you want just cockpit fun, just, you know, having a good time and just understanding G1000, the G3X, just, you could even do steam gauges, you could do the 750. Come over to Flight Sim Builder and just look into this, check it out. You come over here, click on any of this stuff, you can see that, or I'll leave a link down in the comments and in the first comment. Go check that out, and in the description of this this video. So go check that out. You guys get your own G1000 setup, G3X setup, 750 setup, steam gauges. It's all in there, different configurations. I'm enjoying this, and I think that you guys will as well. All right, take it easy. I'll see you guys in another video.